Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Google form you control. This is essential because you need owner or editor rights. Once done, click the gear icon to open settings so you can change response collection. Make sure the form isn't in a restricted workspace. If it is, move it to your personal drive or change sharing. You do this because Google enforces organization policies by default. Changing location or ownership lets you offer public access without sign-in. Now you modify key settings. Under Responses, uncheck any box that restricts respondents to your organization and disable collecting email addresses unless required. Next, go to the General tab and ensure limit to one response is off. This often requires sign-in. Then set link access to anyone with the link so no Google account is needed. These steps remove the authentication gate while preserving the form structure, because those checkboxes are the actual triggers that force sign-in. Finally, send the link and test it in an incognito window to confirm no sign-in prompt appears. If Google still forces sign-in, make sure the form file isn't stored in a Drive folder shared only within your domain, and check any admin-enforced organization policies. Moving the form to your personal drive or duplicating it often fixes hidden restrictions. If problems persist, duplicate the form and reapply the non-restrictive settings as a reliable fallback, because duplicates inherit fewer domain locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.